Everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Proton Mail on your device. The first thing you need to do is you need to open Google Play Store, and then that is if you're using an Android device, Google Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, you have to download from the Apple Play Store. Then you search for Proton Mail, and then you see it, you tap on it, and you tap on install. So let's see what it's all about. It's a trusted email app that uses end-to-end encryption and offers advanced security. So it's for communication and email. So it keeps your conversation private. It's an encrypted email from Switzerland. It is used by millions worldwide. It's an all-new email app that protects your communication and has everything you need to easily manage your inbox. The Wall Street Journal has good things to say about it. So you can just create a proton.me or a protonmail.com email address, send and receive encrypted emails and attachments with ease. You can even switch between multiple Proton Mail accounts. It keeps your inbox tidy and clean with folders, labels, and simple swipe gestures. You receive new email notifications, send password protected emails to anyone, enjoy your inbox even in dark mode. So why should you use it? It is free, it is easy to use, the inbox is yours, no spying. It has rigorous encryption and unmatched protection. They offer strong phishing, spam, and spying / tracking protection. So it has industry-leading security features. There's zero access to your email contents by anyone. It has open source cryptography, and people have said a lot of good things about it in the press. So you see, it's really good. It has a lot. There are some in-app purchases if you want, but right now you can see use the free version and it is good. So let's go back. Let's see how many stars. It is rated 4.5 stars. That's 73,000 reviews. So it is really good. So once it's in, you tap on open. And that's it. The next thing is to create an account or sign in if you already have an account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to know how to create an account or sign up for Proton Mail, check out our next video on how to create an account and how to sign up for Proton Mail. Hope you found this video helpful.